Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question came 2019 CU Economics Honours, Calcutta University Economics Honours Semester 3. If the production function is Q equals to K to the power 0.25, L to the power 0.25, then derive the expression for the long run total cost function, noting that the MRTS at any point of isoquant, MRTS at any point of isoquant is equal to K by L for this production function. Now how to solve this? The production function is given as production function Q equals to K to the power 0.25, L to the power 0.25. This type of production function is called Cobb-Douglas production function. Cobb-Douglas production function. Cobb-Douglas production function. This type of production function is called Cobb-Douglas production function. Now, MRTS is what? Marginal rate of technical substitution at any point of isoquant is equal to K by L. Now, what is MRTS? Marginal rate of technical substitution. Marginal rate of technical substitution. What is marginal rate of technical substitution? MRTS is the absolute slope of the isoquant. It is the absolute slope of the isoquant. It is given in our question. This is K by L. Now, the equation of isocost line, what is the equation of the isocost line? C equals to WL plus RK. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. What is C? C is the total cost. R is rental rate. That is the price of capital. W is the price of labor. Now, absolute slope of isocost line is equals to W by R. Now, for the cost minimizing firm, the equilibrium condition is absolute slope of the isoquant equals to absolute slope of isocost line. That is, in equilibrium, isocost line is tangent to the isoquant. I am drawing a graph here. In the horizontal axis, we are measuring labor. On the vertical axis, we are measuring capital. On the horizontal axis, we are measuring labor. On the vertical axis, we are measuring capital. The isocost line is a downward sloping straight line. Say this is called AB. AB is the isocost line. And the isoquant is regular shaped. This is isoquant, I denoted by IQ, and this is the point E, where isoquant and isocost line are tangent to each other. Now, what is the slope of the isocost line? Isocost line slope is W by R. And what is the slope of isoquant? This is K by L. Therefore, in equilibrium, K by L equals to W by R. In equilibrium, K by L equals to W by R. We cross multiply, we get WL equals to KR. WL equals to KR. This is our equation number 3. Now we put this equation in the iso cost line equation. We put the result number 3 in this, C equals to WL plus RK. In this equation, C equals to WL plus RK, WL equals to RK, therefore we are getting C equals to 2WL. This is the equation. Now we have to substitute L in terms of Q. Then we will get the long run total cost function. Now Q equals to what? K to the power 1/4. We know 0.25 means 1/4 and L to the power 1/4 because 1/4 equals to 0.25. Now what is the equation here? K by L equals to W by R. We are getting this. K by L equals to W by L. What is K by L? This is the absolute slope of the isoquant, which is equals to MRTS, and W by R is the absolute slope of isoquant. Therefore, K equals to what? W by R into L. In the production function, Q equals to K to the power 1/4, L to the power 1/4. We substitute the value of K here. W by R 1/4, L to the power 1/4, L to the power 1/4. We substitute the value of K here. W by R power is 1/4, L. This L 1/4 and this L, that is the production function K to the power 1/4 is here. Therefore, the power of L is 1/4 plus 1/4, it becomes half, and W by R 1/4. This is Q. Or L to the power half equals to Q R by W to the power 1/4. Then L equals to, we just squaring both sides, we get Q squared R by W to the power half. We just squaring this, we get the value of R here. Now we substitute this value in this equation, that is C equals to 2WL. Now C equals to 2W. In place of L, I am writing Q squared R to the power half, W to the power half. In the denominator, W to the power half, and here W, it get cancelled. 2 W to the power half, R to the power half, Q squared. See, this is the equation of the long run cost function. This is the expression for the long run total cost function. What is the expression for long run total cost function? C equals to Q squared 2 under root WR. This is the equation. This is the final answer. Long run total, always remember, long run total cost function should be function of output Q. This is not the expression for output Q. This is C equals to W2WL. Q is not there. We have to replace L, either L or K in terms of Q. We get this expression, that is C equals to Q squared 2 under root WL. This is the expression for long run total cost function. I hope everybody understood this problem. That's it. Thank you.